Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made these pumpkin cake toppers for Halloween, starting with this one. Start by forming your orange modelling paste into a ball and then narrowing the bottom slightly. Use the large end of a ball tool to make an indent in the top and then use a blade tool to go around and mark the sections of the pumpkin. Flatten the paste some more to create more of a pumpkin shape. Start creating the face by using a bone tool to mark the eyes. Use the smaller end of a ball tool to mark the mouth. Stick 2 balls of white modelling paste into the eyes and secure with the bone tool. Create a hole in each eye with the smaller end of the ball tool. Stick a sugar pearl in each of the pre-made holes. He now looks like Nemo. Make the nose by forming a small piece of orange modelling paste into an oval shape. It can be any size you like really. Place a small piece of black modelling paste into the mouth. I decided to make some eyebrows by forming some tiny pieces of black modelling paste into sausage shapes and then sticking them on above his eyes. I was going for a kind of shocked facial expression. Now you can reshape your pumpkin if needed and then put to one side. To make the next pumpkin, you follow the same procedure but use a Dresden tool to create the mouth instead of the ball tool. Teeth by sticking a small ball of white modelling paste into the top of the mouth and then shape with the blade tool. You can make him as goofy as you like. Last pumpkin was again made in exactly the same way, but I made him a bit taller and narrower to give some variety of shape. Make his moustache by forming 2 pieces of black modelling paste into tear shapes. Make sure they are the same size and then stick them underneath his nose. You can shape the moustache in any way that you like. Create the stork by forming a brown piece of modelling paste into a cone shape and then sticking it on top of the pumpkin. Texture the stork with a blade tool and then shape your stork in any way that you like. Finally, add 2 tiny white balls of modelling paste onto the eyes. And now your pumpkin is finished. Happy Halloween!